If you want to get GTA V for free with legit way without download any hack or crack, watch this video to end. In this video, I'll share with you the effective method to GTA V the real game. Like if you buy it completely for free. So we're going to go to this website. You can use PC too, but this site working better on mobile. Don't worry, I will leave website link in comments. You can check the first comment to find the link. So guys, how this website work? Did you know that some people have tons of GTA V Activision keys they're not using? And many of them are about to expire? Instead of letting them go to waste, they sell these activities keys at super cheap prices to websites that use them for giveaways. It's a win-win. These giveaways are your chance to grab free Activision key for GTA V without spending a dime. Why let those keys go unused when you can benefit from them? So what we're going to do is we're going to click Generate. After that, click Start. Now choose your device after that, click Continue, and wait until it's generate your code. Now you need to complete the final step to get your free code. After complete the final step, you should see this message with your free Activision. Key code has been generated successfully. To redeem it, go to Rockstar Game Launcher. Click on your profile, then redeem code, pass the code, and click check. Then redeem. Now, like you see, it's working. Now you have GTA V completely free, and you can install it safely and also enjoy playing online. Try this method now and don't miss this free codes. Thanks for watching. If you need any help, drop a comment right below. If you like the video, please like and subscribe and share video with your friends.